Cybersecurity Explainer Series, AI-driven scenarios phishing attack. Episode, Understanding and Preventing Phishing Attacks. Hi, I'm Agostino Puda, also known as Life of a Critical Thinker. As a full-stack developer and cybersecurity enthusiast, I create engaging and informative content using AI-generated visuals. If you're a first-timer, please subscribe to my channel to explore the world of tech and digital security with me. In this episode, we'll dive into the world of phishing attacks, one of the most common and deceptive cybersecurity threats. Please note that this content is for educational purposes only. Scenario setup. Just imagination. Meet Rose, an employee at a CryThinkers company. One morning, Rose receives an email that appears to be from her bank, asking her to verify her account details to avoid service interruption. The email looks legitimate, with the bank's logo and professional language. AI-generated images show Rose at her desk, looking at her computer screen with the suspicious email open. Incident description. Rose clicks on the link provided in the email and is redirected to a website that looks just like her bank's login page. Without thinking twice, she enters her username and password. Unknowingly to her, she has just given her login credentials to cybercriminals. AI-generated images illustrate Rose entering her details on the fake website. Impact analysis. Within minutes, the attackers use Jane's credentials to access her real bank account, transferring funds and compromising her personal information. The consequences are severe: financial loss, identity theft, and the stress of dealing with the aftermath. AI-generated images depict the attackers accessing Rose's bank account and her shock upon discovering the unauthorized transactions. Note, this is just imagination, and we'll be bringing more examples, as well as mitigation and prevention, in our next video. Please subscribe to our channel.